I'm recreating this eggplant parmesan recipe I recently enjoyed at a restaurant close to Toronto. Start with 2 medium eggplants. Cut in approximately 10 mm thick slices. Place the slices in a container, sprinkle with salt and let sit for 30 minutes. Crack 3 eggs into a medium bowl. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and add a finely shredded clove of garlic. Whisk everything together until you obtain a uniform consistency and color. Add 2 more bowls on the work area, one with breadcrumbs to the right and one with flour to the left. Start dipping the eggplant slices in the flour first, then in the beaten eggs, and last in the breadcrumbs. Fill a frying pan with oil at least 6 mm deep. Heat the oil well on medium temperature. Place the breaded eggplant slices in the pan and fry on both sides until nicely brown and fork soft. To assemble the dish, place 4 eggplant slices on top of each other, on a dinner plate, starting with the largest slice and finishing with the smallest. Grate some Parmesan on top. Surround the slices with marinara sauce. Add Parmesan shavings if you wish. Enjoy this exquisite dish.